Yo, what's going on? It is the next day, as y'all can see, and I am headed to get this car ready for sale. So I'm about to head to the car wash, get everything on the outside washed. Then I'm gonna bring it back home and do the full interior detail. I know a lot of y'all probably think it's not gonna help by detailing the inside or whatever to sell it, but I just feel like it do. So I'm gonna detail it fully on the inside and the out, make it look super nice, and I'm gonna list this thing for I don't know how much yet, but stay tuned because I'm gonna list it for a good amount, and if I get it, I'm gonna feel like it's because of the interior detail, because I think cars that just look nicer sell faster, and people don't try to haggle your price with you as much when it's a super clean car, super detailed, super nice looking, and runs great, which this car does. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the car wash. She doesn't clean up half bad. I'll walk around right quick and show y'all. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna get to working on it, man, and I'll be back. All right, what's going on? I am back. I just finished vacuuming the inside all the way out. So I'll show y'all that. And like I said, I'm gonna do the full detail as far as like the plastic trim pieces and the door, you know, all of this stuff will be done at home. But as you can see, the floors, they got some stains in it, so I'm actually gonna do the stains and everything. Like, I purchased an extractor for this, for all of my cars really, but this is the first one. So yeah, I'll be taking all the stains out of the carpeting and everything, but I had to vacuum it up here where the vacuums are free. And the back, that's the back. So you see it stains everywhere. But anyway, I came up here to the drive-through because I stayed in an apartment. So I come up here to the drive-through car wash, pay $10, and then I use the free vacuums, and they have the air hoses, the air compressor hoses, and that's good for like blowing all the trash and debris and stuff from underneath the seats, because you can't take them out of, you know, I don't want to take the seats out up here. So to avoid taking the seats out, I just blow it out with the air hose and then vacuum everything up. And I do that twice. As you can probably see, I'm sweating crazy. But anyway, yeah, so I'll be back with y'all when I get to the house. And that's where, like I said, we're gonna do the full detail on all these plastics, clean up all this vinyl stuff and plastics and just trim pieces, just clean it all up. All right, so I had to show y'all real quick. I want to do this one on camera at least a little bit. I've already cleaned one plastic one right there. It did look like this. So yeah, I got that one clean. And I got one carpet clean right there. That's the other one that's still dirty. I'm gonna do that one on camera too, but first, I'm gonna do this one. So how I'm cleaning I cleaned that one with the shampoo, but it's carpet and upholstery shampoo. So I'm actually gonna try this all clean from Chemical Guys on this one because I think it'll be a better clean on this rubber. So I'm gonna use this. I just spray it down. Spray it down. Probably don't need that much, but yeah, anyway, spray it down. And then I have this basically like a garden sprayer. It's not no pressure or nothing, but it'll wet it down, so I just wet it up with that. Put a little water, wet it up. Okay. And then I take this drill brush and my drill. I'm using the white one because it's the softest and it won't mess up the rubber or whatever. So I'm just starting with this one because this is my first time detailing. So yeah, and then I just agitate it, let it foam up. Spray a little more water just to kind of rinse it off a little bit, and get most of this water up with the extractor. As you can see, we about to do this one right quick, but I already pre-wetted a little bit. I'm finna spray the shampoo, and this before. All right, so this is just after one pass. It's a little better, but I think we can get it a little cleaner, so I'm gonna just treat it again, agitate it with the drill brush, and extract it again. This is the floor mat now. As you can see, the before and after is a big difference. There's still little dark spots, but that's 100 times better than what it was. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. All mats are clean now. This is the final back mat. That plastic is going in the front. That one is going in the back and it's done. And then I have the other black one up there. So yeah. Yo, we back. This is the next day. I'm finishing the detail. As you saw in the previous clips, I did all the rugs and everything on the inside on yesterday. And today I am doing the inside of the car. So first thing I'm gonna do is this driver's side door. And I think I'm gonna just work each door, well, the front door, the dash, steering wheel, center console, passenger side dash and door, and then do the back. I'm also going to try to clean out these pillar covers right here. It's kind of a fabric feel, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna use on it yet, but I'm gonna clean these and clean the seats off. All right, so I only been out here for about an hour, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got done so far. I did the driver's side door, the dash, and the center console where the radio and shifter is. So I'm gonna show y'all that stuff now, and I'm gonna do before and afters so y'all can kind of see what it looked like before and after cleaning it. Back again. I'm literally detailing this car between clients at the shop. So right now I'm doing half of the inside of the floor. I took the driver's seat out. As you can see, it's in the back of the truck over there. My wife is gonna clean it, and then I'm cleaning all of this up. Like I said, I'm gonna get all these stains and stuff up, but here's the before. Take a look at that. And then yeah, so right now I'm gonna vacuum all this trash up and debris, and then spray everything down and get it clean. And here is the after. I only wanted to do one pass because in certain spots the carpet is a little thin, so I figured this is better than it was. I still see some spots up there I'm gonna get, but other than that, this is it. Comment below what y'all think. Alright, so I went ahead and actually did one more pass back here just to try to get this stuff up a little better. And so yeah, it came up a little bit better. So anyway, I think I'm gonna leave it like this. It's better than when I got it, so that's all that matter. So let me know what y'all think. Comment below. Alright. Yo, so I went ahead and edited the part one of this getting the Infiniti ready to sell video. I'm uploading it tonight. Hope y'all enjoy. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you for watching. Word to type in the comments if you made it to the end is clean. I'll see y'all in the next video. Appreciate it.